Hey, what's up? It's your girl Joy, and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Beauty, the channel that's all about glowing up from the inside out.
I know that's right.
Today's video is all about how to apply false lashes. This is a topic that is near and dear to my heart because for several years I struggled, and when I say struggle, I mean I struggle to apply lashes. I have stories of when I accidentally glued my eyes shut. Learning how to apply false lashes after losing my lashes to alopecia was challenging to say the least. However, over the years, I have found a really simple method to apply false lashes. This method is going to make sure that your lashes stay on literally all day, but moreover, it is really easy to do. It is a beginner-friendly tutorial, it is an alopecia-friendly tutorial, and I'm really excited to show you guys this tip so that you can easily and effortlessly apply your lashes from now on. Today's video is brought to you by Velour Lashes. I'm wearing them now, and you can also use a discount code to shop some of my favorite lashes. I absolutely love this brand because of their effortless lashes. Like, they're to the point, they're effortless, they're really natural. I love that they're like a 3/4, as you can see here, so it's just like really natural looking. It's not going to irritate your eyes because it's super long. It's not one of those lashes that's so long that you have to cut it and you accidentally cut too much off, or you cut it unevenly and now it looks weird. Like, none of that mess. It's just like really natural, really easy to apply, and I love that you can rewear them because in this economy, like, we're not trying to be constantly purchasing lashes, you know what I mean? Today I'm using the Are You For Real Velour Lashes. They're a 3/4 style, and I love that they don't need to be trimmed. I have almond style eyes, but here's what it might look like on your eyes if you have round eyes, or hooded eyes, or monolid eyes. If you want to get ready with me, grab your lash glue, grab an applicator or tweezers if you have tweezers at home, of course your lashes, and a nice to have is some mascara or an eyelash curler. I use these things to really make the eyes pop. Make sure the lash glue looks like this. You want like a nice tip that looks like an eyeliner. The first step is to tight line 3/4 of your eyelash line. So really what we're going to do is create a base that almost kind of looks like where our lashes would be. And if you do have lashes, this is going to help you blend the glue in with your actual real lashes. Take the brush of the adhesive and line it just above where you tight lined your eyes. Create a medium line, a line that's going to be thick enough for you to use it as a bit of a guide as you apply your lashes. Please take your time with this because I swear the eyeliner can hear if you're scared. When you're done, you're going to want to apply some glue just to the very ends of your lash. This is going to reinforce the lash so it doesn't start flapping in the wind. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for your glue to dry. Please wait the adequate time. A rookie mistake is when you apply it too soon. You want it to be nice and dark, not wet like the line at the very bottom. Wait until the glue looks like the line at the top. Now it's time to grab your lash applicator and grip the lash band right in the middle and apply the lash to the middle of your eye. Again, you want it to cover 3/4. Now it's time to clean up the eye so that it just looks really natural. Add some lash glue to blend with the eyeliner. And then add some mascara, just add extra volume to the lashes if you really want your eyes to pop. Again, this is a bonus step, but I love it. It adds a little je ne sais quoi. This is what the final look was in daylight. It's really beautiful, really natural, but like really pops. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you got value out of this video, please smash that subscribe button and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. As always, keep growing and keep glowing.